Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use Gemini Pro for coding. First, understand that Gemini Pro is a powerful tool for generating and refining code. You can ask it to write functions, classes, or even entire scripts in various programming languages. Remember to provide detailed instructions, including the desired language and specific requirements, to ensure the output meets your needs effectively. This approach maximizes its utility for your development tasks. Gemini Pro excels at practical coding tasks. For instance, you can generate boilerplate code for a new Python class or a JavaScript component in seconds. It's also great for refactoring. Simply paste your code and ask for improvements, like making it more readable or optimizing for speed. Furthermore, if you need to convert a function from Python to Java, Gemini Pro can handle that translation, saving you significant time and effort. To truly master Gemini Pro for coding, explore its advanced capabilities. It can assist with designing and implementing complex algorithms, offering different approaches and their trade-offs. If you encounter a piece of code you don't understand, ask Gemini Pro for a detailed explanation of its logic or the design patterns used. When debugging, paste your error message and the problematic code. It often provides precise solutions or hints to resolve issues quickly. Integrating Gemini Pro into your daily coding workflow can dramatically boost your efficiency. Use it for quick lookups, syntax checks, or even to brainstorm architectural ideas. Don't be afraid to experiment with different prompt structures. Sometimes a slight rephrasing can yield much better results. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. This powerful AI assistant is designed to make your coding journey smoother and more productive, helping you achieve your development goals faster.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.